Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of complex analysis asked in Csirnet 2023. So our question is, let fz be an analytic function, then which of the following is or are entire? So for function to be entire, its conjugate should not be entire. That is, if fz is entire, then f of z bar is not entire. So this is a question based on statement that fz is entire, then fz bar is not entire. This is incorrect. This is also incorrect, as fz bar of bar is equals to fz. As fz is entire, so this function is entire. And this is also not entire because fz bar and fz bar is because conjugate of the entire function is not entire. If the function conjugate of entire function is entire, then function is constant. So here the constant condition is not given. So option C is correct, and rest of the option is false. So this is a simple statement based question asked in Csirnet 2023. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, subscribe to my channel. The condition we have to know this, that fz bar is entire if fz is constant. This you have to know. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching.